Assalamu alaikum and hello and welcome to Baby Step Med, where I try and make difficult medical concepts a bit easier. In this video I'm going to be showing you how do I make notes, and it's really simple. In this video I'm going to show you how I make notes on my little notebook. This is super duper gorgeous. Look at it, mashallah. It's like holographic and I love it. And you know, if you get pretty notebooks, it makes you want to I don't know, for me, pretty stationery makes me want to study more. So that is just me. But anyways, so what you need is a notebook or a paper or whatever you want. And I also have these little sticky tags. And what they do is that they can help you divide your notebooks. So like I have this division right here. So if I open this, I'm going to come here. And I just made these notes. I'm going to show you a little time-lapse thingy that I did. But basically what I do is like, okay, let's see. So there are 3 steps. First step is that you read. And when I'm reading, I color code my notes. So basically, this is my color coding, right? I have pink for all of the important stuff. I use green for like headings, and I use blue for values and numbers. So basically, as you can see, I've made green headings like symptoms, so this would be headings, and then this is what the content is. So pathology, symptoms, diagnosis, associated with treatments, and this is what I do with all of my text when I'm studying. So path, examination, risk factors, and I just do this, right? So, and I sometimes number it, so when I'm making notes I know what to do. And when I make notes, as you can see, so all of the green headings, first step is that you read and you color code, and then second step is that you get your paper or notebook and then you start writing. So there are 2 ways. You can go either just use one pen, and it's really easy because if you use one pen, it saves time. So as you can see, let me just show you. So we have from here, so this much information till here is just condensed into this neat little 1 page and a little bit more. And it's super easy to revise because you have all of the headings and you have everything that you need to know right here, and it just makes it really easy. You just need to spend a little bit of time. This took me I don't know, 5 minutes to condense this information into this much. And as you'll see in the time lapse, I just write it with one pen, and then I just highlight the headings, and it just makes it prettier and organized, and it's easier. And one more thing that I do is that at the end of each chapter, I just make a little mind map of how my notes are supposed to look like. So this just gives me like a little head start on how to do it. And another thing, if you find more information, like later when you're revising, you want to add in more information, of course you can write it in here, or you can use like sticky notes. I have a lot of sticky notes. This makes it fun, and I just keep them in this little bag, and of course stationery helps. So I hope this video was helpful. I'm not really sure how I was going through with this. Another thing that you can do is you can write this on separate pages, and you can get a ring file and then just file all of your pages in it as you wish. So that's it. I hope this helps. If you would like to know more tips, this was like a really quick video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and good luck. Bye bye.